Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I'm drinking some ginger, mint, and lemon tea this morning. But I wanted to stop by and share with you all of the distractions that we are having in this world today. Don't get so distracted until you forget about the things that you must do to provide for you and your family. Let's talk about this for a minute. So this morning I am planting ginger and turmeric. This is turmeric here. But listen, family, one of the things I wanted to mention is that our food prices are going up, right? And many of us, only thing we're looking at is eggs. As eggs is going up. And are they going up? Yes, they are. But there's another thing that's going on. It's the food prices, period, is going up. All of it. All of it. And not only are the food prices going up, the food is tainted with everything that can harm us. And this is our food. So, with that being said, don't get distracted when it comes to your garden, right? Many of us don't have a lot of land or big properties, but that's okay, baby, because you will see you can grow a lot in a small place. You can, yes. But right now it is in the evening, and yes, I've been distracted by dropping more seeds that I did not eat. So let's go in my kitchen and let me get some lunch, okay? So this is my lunch today. I just kind of stir fried everything and made me a little roux with some broccoli that I harvest from my garden. And of course, you all see it. It's shrimp, baby. It's shrimp. And I made a nice little roux for my gravy. And it was delicious. I had a piece of cornbread left, so I took care of that too, y'all. It was really good, filling, and I didn't eat a lot to weigh me down, right? I just wanted something to give me some energy, right? So this is what I ate for lunch. It was delicious. I also made me some hibiscus tea, some Jamaican sorrel tea, but it was cold and I put ice on it. It was very good, very refreshing, and I enjoyed this lunch, y'all. It was very good. And the broccoli, y'all know it was good because I know one thing. There will be no recalls on this broccoli. Not this stuff right here, right? Yeah. But anyway, guys, I'm going to finish my lunch and then we're going to go back in my garden because I want to do a harvest of greens. Now, I'm going to share these greens with my youngest niece, Erica. She's going to come and pick it up. And also, she had been asking me for cabbage. So I'm going to harvest her the biggest cabbage I have in my garden. So this is my super juice. So after I harvest the cabbage and the greens, all of the bad ones, all the bad leaves, I put it in the super juice. And this is what I harvest for my niece. This is the second basket for her, right? But this is also today where I am cleaning this little bed. I fertilized it, but I'm cleaning it up really good. and I'm going to bury some of those leaves deep into the bottom of this raised bed. Those leaves right there. But as I was digging, yeah, I found grubs. Oh yeah, ground grubs. So if you don't know about grubs, of course they eat the roots of the vegetables. And if you find one, remember they come as a family. You will find the mama, the daddy, and the babies. And if you don't see all of them, keep digging. Keep digging, family. Okay? But let me get back to distractions of this world. These distractions, things that, events that we have fought for years ago is now being turned around. And we are wondering, how are these people thinking that the fight that we had years ago for certain rights as humans, how are they thinking? Right? Family, don't get distracted. Know what's going on, but don't get so distracted that you forget about doing the things that you can do for yourself. If there's something you can do for yourself, do it. Okay? Don't get so like, I can't do this, or this is going to stop me from doing this. Listen, just breathe, baby. Breathe. And know there's so many things that we can do for ourselves. Okay? So, one of the things that we can do for ourselves is we can provide some food. Now, am I saying that we can provide all the food that all our families need if we don't have a large piece of property? No, we cannot. But what you can do, do it. So today, I'm going to drop onions. So a couple of days ago, my nephew, Chris, from Back to Our Roots Homestead, hey, Chris and Cheryl, they sent me some onions, baby. So here's my onions. This is, you kind of chopped the name off, but this is Texas Super Sweets. That's what they are. Texas Super Sweet, right? And I also have, okay, let's see what these are over here. Texas Super Sweet. So both of them are Texas Super Sweet bundles, right? So I'm going to drop onions right here in this bed. Now, I have prepped this bed. It's been sitting for a while. Now, this morning, I just came in and I put bone meal just to kind of line my my growing path, right? It's just some bone meal, that's all. So, my thing is this: when you're growing onions or garlic or anything that's going to give you lanyap, which is just a little something extra, right? You are going to need bone meal, baby. You're going to need some bone meal. And what that is going to help, that's going to help give you a nice big bulb, because bone meal is that phosphorus, right? Y'all know who's in that bag, right? So, I didn't have a lot, so I also ground up some white navy beans. That's what I have. So you can also ground up some chickpeas. It will also give you about 250 milligrams of phosphorus. If you don't have bone meal, get you some, go to Dollar Tree and get you a bag of white beans and put them in your Ninja and just zip that thing up, and there is your phosphorus, right? Your homemade bone meal. So that is what I'm doing here today. I'm just dropping my onions. Now, Jody loved also to grow these onions. So every year, my niece and nephew, they send me these onions. Jody goes, Mama, don't forget to save me some. Don't plant them all. I'm like, okay, baby, I got you. I got you. So I do leave some for her. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is I will continue to drop my onions, and I'll be back to show you how they all look. All right, family, that is this little bit. And as you see, I still have a bundle of onions left. Now, many of those will be going in different parts of the garden, right? And I have another little bit just like this one, and I'm going to fill it up with that bundle. But also this little bit here, I do have some copper tape, and I'm gonna put the copper tape all around the edge of this bed, and that is for the snails. So thank you to Mike, Chaotic Gardener. Thank you, Mike. So this is going to be my first spring season with the tape, and see how it works out. Also, there in that bucket, you see a lot of sticks, right? So that is branches from my Black Mission. So what I done is just put all of them in this bucket, and hopefully they'll grow roots. And if they do, then we have extra trees just to share. I'll share them if, you know. But I just didn't want to throw them away. I still have some down on the ground over there that I'm not going to use, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to harvest all of these greens here also. Sometimes today or tomorrow I will harvest them. I've harvested these, and I'm going to clean them up, and I'm going to cook them and put them in my freezer. Yeah. Not unless my little sister want to come over here and get that pot of greens, and that's fine with me too. Right. But that is what I'm doing this morning, even though I'm watering, but y'all, it's gonna rain. Yeah, it's gonna rain. From what I understand, the rain will begin tonight. And it's not gonna last a long time, but we're supposed to have a lot of rain. But whatever God brings, I thank Him. I thank Him, y'all. So this is my coffee I'm drinking this morning, and this is a cup that was sent to me by my niece Cheryl from Back to Our Roots Homestead. Now, the coffee I'm drinking is Sage Marie, y'all. So many of you all have been around, and maybe you remember Sage Marie products. But anyway, this is some coffee. But listen, family, on Sunday Night Live, I will be talking more about the distractions of this world and how we can maneuver in these days and times. We can do this, but we must stay focused on things that is important to us, right? So don't get so distracted that you lose focus. And many things that other people and agencies have done for us in the past, maybe that is all over with. And that's okay too, family, because we as a people, we can do this. So on Sunday Night Live, I will be talking more about distractions, but I also will be talking about gardening. You all know we're going to talk about gardening, right? But this is my very, very cold morning. That is, oh, y'all, it is bone chilly out here. So what I want to do is I want to start my dinner early today. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to harvest a cabbage just for me, just for me. And I'm going to go in and prepare that cabbage for me. And I'm going to take you all along for some of the cooking process of me cooking my cabbage this morning. Okay, so this way I can have my dinner could be ready for me this evening, and yeah, I don't have to worry about cooking late in the evening. So come with me in my kitchen and let's cook some cabbage. So today I want to cook cabbage. I think I'm gonna get this one. This one is smaller, and yeah, it's just for me, so I'm gonna get this one. Let me get it up. All right, so this is perfect for me. Let's bring it in the kitchen and get her cleaned up. All right, family, I am sorry I did not share me cooking this cabbage because y'all, I just wanted to get it done because I am so hungry. So this is turkey necks. That's what that is. It's so tender. Yeah, baby. Flavorful. Oh my God. Oh my God. This thing is so good. Now, oh, wait a minute. Let me get some more of this medium. Y'all, it's so good. Cornbread. I cooked it on. I fried that bread. It's very, very crispy, right? Oh, Jesus said it all. All right, family. I'm going. I'm going to eat, baby. I'm going to eat. Damn, that was so good. Thank you, Father. Now I'm going to take a nap.